Hello and welcome again to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create text-to-speech or TTS and free of cost. So let me tell you what is text-to-speech is. So text-to-speech or TTS, it's a technology that converts text into spoken audio. It's also known as read aloud technology. So in simple way, it's a computer program that convert text into spoken language. So if you wanted to convert, then there are many like tools are available in this tools are available at the moment. But let me show you how you can do that. Okay, so for text to speech, there are many tools. If you wanted to use a premium tool with many pro features, then you can go to the 11 labs. They are a good alternative if you wanted to pay for the TTS, and if you wanted to use a bit more premium things, then you can try it over here. Like whatever text you will be typing over here, it will give you the audio from here. From this, it will generate the audio, and you can also create a video voiceover from here. Okay, but this is for paid, as I mentioned, so I'm not going to ask you to use this one. So as I mentioned earlier, that I'm going to tell you how to create TTS for free. So I have a website over here. It's called ttsfree.com. If you scroll down a bit, you can see this is the box, the enter text. So what we are going to do, we are going to change the uh, text that we are going to convert into TTS. So let me type a simple thing. They have two TTS server. One is from Google, one is for Microsoft, and you can play the voices from here. You can choose like this.
Like
Okay, you can play the files from here. So I'm going to type the word. uh, so let me type any text over here, say I IT lab, and we are going to select this and convert. Okay, now it's processing and it will create the
Hi,
audio
welcome to
file.
Innovate.
Okay, so it's created. Now you can listen it from here or you can download it.
Hi, welcome to Innovate IT Lab.
Okay, as you heard, it's saying this particular text that I have mentioned over here. You can simply download it by clicking over here and it will be downloaded. So this is how you can create a text to speech for free, and it can contain 500 characters per conversation. So you can log in and get account, and you can get more character for free. So if you find any value from this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much and have a nice day.